Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and book flights on Expedia. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for Expedia. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the first link. That is going to be expedia.com, and once you've done that, make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of things that you can go ahead and book. So there are stays, flights, cars, packages, things to do, and cruises. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on flight, and after that go ahead and select where you are leaving from. You can also go ahead and select if it's a round trip, one way, multi-city. Now let's just go to going to and simply go ahead and select where you are heading to. So for example, in my case, I'm heading there and in this date right over here. So you can go ahead and select any date that you want to, and after that go ahead and select how many travelers are going through. So simply go ahead and click on search, and it's going to go ahead and show you all the flights that are available on that exact date that you can simply go ahead and book right over here by just clicking on it, selecting it, and entering your payment details. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.